Hello everyone. Well, this is the day I got my deluxe cooking blender from Pampered Chef. Here it is. Oh, I'm so in love already. Anyway, today I'm gonna make some soup called Tizza Soup. It's like a diet soup. You can eat as much as you want and you won't gain any calories or anything. It's a real healthy way, you know, to start the spring after all this COVID and sitting around a lot all winter. Anyway, so I started it out with already cutting up some zucchini. I'm thinking about 6 cups of soup today. So first thing is zucchini, and then we add potatoes. This is a recipe I got from the Food Network from Laura Caulder. She's one of my favorites to ever watch. She had the French food at home, and I used to love watching her show. That was quite a few years ago now. But this is one of the recipes I thought would go perfect in this blender because it has to be blended in the end anyway. So that was potato. I put 1 potato, half a zucchini, and 3 small carrots. And with this blender, it chops it, cooks it, purees it. It does everything for you. You don't have to do anything else. Just get everything in there. And the thing I thought was kind of unique about this recipe is it uses artichoke hearts, which I thought was really kind of cool. So next is leeks. Put a few leeks in there. Get them cut up. How's everyone doing there today? Hopefully you're all doing well on this beautiful sunny day. Well, it is here in BC on Vancouver Island. Pretty awesome. Oh dear, my dog is getting sick. She does that a lot if she hasn't eaten enough breakfast. Sorry if you can hear that. That's not a very nice thing to listen to. Anyway, next is turnip. Not rutabaga. You want turnip for this. And they're the ones that are purple. A little bit of that goes in there. And then 1 tomato. I hope I'm not overloading this. It's my first time using it, the blender. But it calls for 1 tomato. And just cut them up however you want because they're just going to get chopped up in there. Oh, I'm so excited to try this soup. And then I had to get canned artichokes because they didn't have any fresh. So I just thought, well, it's the flavor anyway, so I just picked up some canned ones. Hopefully I can get this open. My top popped off. There it is. Yeah, so it'll still have the same flavor, I'm thinking. I'll just plunk them in there. And hopefully I'm not overloading this. But we'll find out. I might take some stuff out and come back in a minute. Let me just pause for a sec. Oh, I'm back. Okay, so yeah, I got a little nervous thinking, my first time, I better not push it. Anyway, so I decided to do that 3/4 of what I had. And I think we've got all the ingredients other than the broth. And so we're just going to get that added in. And I just use vegetable broth. And did 4 cups here, so. See if that covers it. There's a line it shows for the soup, and I have it exactly at the 6 cups now. So here we go. Here's my first soup ever in my Pampered Chef Deluxe Cooking Blender. So here's what we're gonna do. It's already plugged in. We'll turn it on. We'll get this out of the way so you can see. This is exciting. So we turn it on, and then okay, make sure it's all locked down, and it is. So that's all good. And then there's all these settings. So there's smoothie, alternative milk, grind, heated wash, and soup. There's also jam, heated puree, and then there's a sauce setting. So Right now, I think it takes about 25 minutes, so we're gonna start this, and I'll come on about halfway through and show you how it's doing. And yeah, I'm excited. We'll see you in a bit. I'll just turn it on. First time. Yes. See you in a little bit, folks. I just wanted to hop back on here and say that if I get cut off, because this is my first time making my own video with my new little stand, but if it doesn't go back off of pause, then I'll just make another video at the end. But either way, you'll get to see. See you soon. Coming out of there. It's only a few more seconds and our soup's done. 21 to be exact. I'm pretty excited. Look at all the steam coming out. It's so hot. It's like awesome. And it's taken about 25 minutes. 3, 2, 1. There we go. It's ended. I'm so excited about this. I don't know what to do next. Anyway, so yeah, I think what I'm going to do is just unplug it, turn it off. Actually, I'll just turn it off. And then I'll remove the lid here. It's pretty hot, so I'm just going to be real careful. But look at that. Look at that. So exciting. And look at it's just gorgeous. Nice. Tizza Soup. Recipe made by Caulder from the Food Network. So hopefully you'll get to enjoy this recipe when you get your blender. Hopefully you get one. Anyway, I can't wait to share more things with y'all. Tizza Soup. It's a little hot, but I'm going to try it. Oh, wow. Nice flavor. Oh, it's delicious. Even if you don't have a blender, I'd recommend making this just on your stovetop. It's awesome. Have a great day, everyone. Thanks for coming to see me.